To win any game, mental or physical, the key is mind power. Similarly, success in examination requires mind power. To win games or exams, three attributes are must to follow, and these three are important factors to improve your mental power. That is, eat well, sleep well, exercise well. You should keep a balance in these three and dare not to skip or miss anyone. Sleep well. This means neither you should undersleep or oversleep. 6 to 8 hours of sleep is mandatory for everybody. Eat well means neither you should undereat nor overeat. You should have an adequate and balanced diet and stay alert while you are eating. Similarly, when it comes to exercise well, 4.5 minutes of exercising in 2 slots each day is mandatory for human health. So make sure you exercise 4.5 minutes in 2 slots each day, and this would be more than sufficient for you to increase your mind power, to maintain your mental health and perform extraordinary in your examinations. This is Vadan Sahu wishing you all the best.